Hello students, the next topic in our syllabus is group homomorphism. So what is group homomorphism? It is basically a function that associates the elements present in a domain to the elements present in the codomain. So what distinguishes a homomorphism from a function is that this function should satisfy this property. Here what we have done, we have taken an example of a group that is under the same binary operation star. So what happens when this binary operation are different? Let us take a group G under binary operation circle and the other group, say G dash, under binary operation star. Let the elements in this group be A, B. Now these elements will be closed under the binary operation circle here, right? So the element will become of this form. Whereas we know if this is a function f, so what will it do? It will associate this element to this element and we will say this is the image of element A under function f, and this will be the image of element B under function f. Now the element that is closed under binary operation circle, this function will associate this element to this element. Now if we want to say that this function is a group homomorphism, what we have to do is that we have to check whether this condition is satisfied or not. If it is satisfied, then we will say this is a group homomorphism. Fine. So there are three important things in group homomorphism that we should know, is that if this homomorphism other than this property is satisfying to be a onto function, it is considered as epimorphism, and if this is 1-1 function, then we will say isomorphism, and if it is 1-1 and onto, both 1-1 and onto, then this homomorphism is known as an automorphism.